Hello all, welcome to part 15 of API testing training series. In this session, I am going to explain the difference between public APIs, partner APIs, and private APIs. So let's get started. Okay, I am going to explain the difference between public APIs, partner APIs, and private APIs. Very simple, guys. Coming to the public APIs, they are open for everyone. Anyone can use. There are no restrictions. Okay, some developer will create this public APIs and put it open for everyone. Okay, and anyone can use these APIs in for their needs. Okay, so it's freely available, guys. Okay, it is openly and freely available APIs are public APIs without any restrictions, zero restrictions, that are public APIs. Now coming to the next category, that is partner APIs. Coming to the partner APIs, they are not completely open to everyone. Okay, like public APIs, they are open to everyone, anyone can use, but partner APIs are not like that. There are some restrictions. Okay, they are only exposed. Okay, these partner APIs, okay, are only exposed to partners after some agreements are made. Okay, let's say Make My Trip is there and Indigo website is there. Okay, let's say Indigo is not openly making their APIs available for everyone. Rather, Indigo is only exposing their APIs to some of the partner websites like Make My Trip and so on. Okay, so that's what is partner APIs. If the API is not completely open and exposed only to some business partners, okay, based on some agreements, those APIs are called as partner APIs. Now, finally, we have third type of APIs in this section when compared with public and partner, that is private APIs. As the name speaks, they are not open at all. Even to the partners also, there are no partners actually. Basically, these are private APIs which are private to the application itself. Okay, there is no need of making it open to some partners or making it open to everyone. Okay, the APIs which are developed and are private only to the application, only for that application, and not exposed anywhere else, are known as private APIs. So these are the three types of APIs, guys. We can categorize like public, partner, and private. Hope you understood this public, partner, and private in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to explain another API testing topic for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.